We talk about love like it's magic, but in reality, it's also science. Why do we desire certain people more than others? Why do some relationships last a lifetime while others fall apart? The answers lie in brain chemistry, hormones, and psychology. Today, let's explore the science of love, desire, and attachment and discover how biology shapes the way we connect. When you fall in love, your brain lights up like fireworks. Scientists say love activates the same regions as addiction. The main chemicals at play are dopamine, the feel-good hormone that gives you that rush when you see or think about your partner. Oxytocin, the bonding hormone released during touch, hugs, and intimacy. It deepens trust and attachment. Serotonin, linked to obsession. Early stages of love lower serotonin, which is why you can't stop thinking about them. Adrenaline, that fast heartbeat, sweaty palms, butterflies in the stomach. That's your body's stress system reacting to desire. Love is literally a chemical cocktail. Love isn't just one feeling, it's a mix of three systems: lust, desire, fueled by testosterone and estrogen. Lust drives physical attraction. It's primal, fast, and intense, but doesn't guarantee emotional depth. Romantic love, infatuation. Dopamine and adrenaline create passion and excitement. This stage feels like obsession, but it often fades within months to years. Attachment, long-term bond. Oxytocin and vasopressin kick in for stability, trust, and companionship. This is why long-term couples feel safe, connected, and calm with each other. Understanding the difference explains why you might feel intense passion with one person, but deep stability with another. Science also shows that the way we bond in relationships depends on attachment styles patterns we develop in childhood. Secure attachment, comfortable with closeness, trusts easily, healthy relationships. Anxious attachment, craves closeness, fears abandonment, may appear clingy. Avoidant attachment, values independence, struggles with intimacy. Fearful avoidant, wants love but fears getting hurt. Knowing your attachment style helps you understand your needs, your triggers, and the type of partner you're most likely to thrive with. So, love isn't just about fetites, a mix of chemistry, psychology, and patterns from our past. Desire pulls us in, love excites us, and attachment keeps us together. When you understand the science of love, you gain the power to build healthier, stronger, and more lasting connections. If this video opened your eyes, hit like, share with someone who needs to hear it, and subscribe for more real relationship psychology every week.